Hello friends, I am here with ready reckoner of government schemes which are very important for examination point of view, all competitive examination as it's very much importance. So most important government schemes are first Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana PM. It was launched in 2014 by Ministry of Finance. Its objective is financial inclusion to provide bank accounts, debit cards and insurance to all citizens. Yeah, it is zero balance account for every household, rupees 2 lakh, accident insurance cover by a RuPay card, overdraft facility up to 10,000. Example is rural households now receive subsidies and MG Narega wage directly to their Jan Dhan accounts. Second is Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana PM. Launch year is 2016, launched by Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Objective is provide LPG connections to women from BPL families, that is below poverty line families, free LPG connection with subsidy on refill. When they go for refilling, subsidy will be given. Promotes clean cooking and reduces health hazards. Impact over 10 crore connections distributed. Third is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana PM. Launch year 2015. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs and Rural Development. Objective is housing for all by 2024. Components PMAY Urban for city dwellers, AY Grameen for rural areas, benefit subsidized home loans for EWS, LIG, MIG groups. LIG is low income group, MIG is medium income group or middle income group. Fourth is Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana AB PMJY launched year 2018 by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Objective universal health coverage to poor families. Key features 5 lakh per family per year for secondary and tertiary care, hospitalization, cashless treatment in empaneled hospitals. Example free surgeries and treatment in private hospitals for poor families. Next is fifth number Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi PM Kisan, launch year 2019. Ministry Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Objective is to provide income support to farmers. Benefit 6,000 per year in 3 installments directly to farmer bank account. Impact over 11 crore farmers benefited. 6 is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, MG Narega. Launch year 2005. Ministry responsible for launching is rural development. Objective is legal guarantee of 100 days of wage employment to rural households. Example, workers are employed in building ponds, roads and other rural infrastructure. Next is Skill India Mission or Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana PMKVY, launched in 2015 by Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Ministry. Objective is to provide skill training to youth to enhance employability, free short-term training, industry partnership and certification. Next is Digital India Mission, launched in 2015, Ministry of Electronics and IT. Objective is transform India into digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. Features are e-governance, digital payment, BharatNet, DigiLocker, etc. Next is Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. Launch year is 2020. Post-COVID initiative. Objective is make India self-reliant across sectors, manufacturing, defense and digital. Includes MSME reforms, agriculture reforms and PLI schemes. Number 10, Make in India, launch year 2014, by Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Objective is to encourage domestic manufacturing and attract FDI, foreign direct investment. Focus sectors are electronics, automobile, defense and textiles. Next 11 number is Startup India, launched in 2016. Its objective is to promote innovation and startups with tax benefits, funding and incubation support. Impact over 1 lakh startups recognized under DPI. Number 12, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, BBBP, launched in 2015 by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Objective is to address declining child sex ratio, promote girl-child education. Tagline is the Save the Daughter, Educate the Daughter. 13 number is Swachh Bharat Mission, SBM. Launch year is 2014. Objective is to achieve open defecation-free ODF India and promote cleanliness phases. SBM Gramin and SBM Urban impact over 11 crore toilets built nationwide. Next is 14 Jal Jeevan Mission JJ, launched in 2019 by Jal Shakti Ministry. Objective is to provide tap water connections to every rural household by 2024. Tagline is her 15 National Education Policy NEP 2020. Objective is overhaul education system, focus on flexibility, multidisciplinary approach and skill-based learning. Key change 10+2 structure replaced by 5+3+3+4 model. 16 number PM Vishwakarma Scheme 2023. Objective is to support traditional artisans and craftsmen with training, credit and market linkages. Beneficiaries, carpenters, blacksmiths, goldsmiths, cobblers, tailors, etc. Number 17, Atal Pension Yojana APY. Launch year is 2015. Social Security for unorganized sector workers. Benefit guaranteed pension of rupees 1,000 to 5,000 per month after 60 years. 18 National Rural Health Mission NRHM, launch year 2005. Objective is to improve health care delivery in rural areas. Key role is ASHA workers as grassroots health facilitators. 19 Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana P, launched in 2015. Objective is to provide loans to small and micro enterprises. Loan types are Shishu, Kishore and Tarun up to 10 lakh. Number 20 is a Smart Cities Mission, launched in 2015. Objective is to develop 100 smart cities with better infrastructure and e-governance. So that's all.